TV family, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see USA Mega Million playing strategy, not prediction. If it's the first time, please subscribe, like and share. Yeah, we're going to see Mega for tonight. If it's the first time, you may subscribe. Right, so I hope we can boom big the way we did the win and lunch and the other lotters. This is the phone number. You can WhatsApp this number to be added on the group. Let's continue. Alright, so today we're going to see, we're gonna start with, you take the bonus ball. For example, the bonus was 12, you add the 8, then you add the 3. So this is 12 plus 8 is 20. Then 20 plus 3 is 23. So you can see 23 played here. Then you continue. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 3 is 34. You can see 34 played here. Alright, to go next, 16 plus 8 is 24. You can see 24 played. And when you add 3 is 27. 27 was already previous. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So we have 18 and 21. Funny number there. Alright, so let me just pick the pencil. So if it's the first time, you may consider to subscribe, to like and share. Let's win. Up the Almighty will give us. If you did watch the last week video, I know you know what to do. I know you know what to do if you did watch last week. So as the pencil disappeared, here when you add it to 8 is 31, 31 plus 3 is 34. Here when you add 8 is 24 and the 27 which already played. Here when you add we have 18 and the 21. So that is what we're gonna do next. And this is a Mega Millionaire. When you do minus, the other strategy so you do minus, which is a 65, right? And you do plus is a 69. So 65 and the 69 is, since the 65 is here as a 56, 69 played. Here we having 70 or 68, 68 played. Here we are having 64 or 72, so we focus on 64, which played here as a 49. We can go nearby of 64, which is 63 and 65, or play 64 as it is. So that is the number we're gonna add with 18, 21, 64, or the nearby numbers, right, of this 64. All right, that was also the number. Then you take the bonus ball, add the date, then you skip a draw to play that. Now they didn't play it here, they played after 2 draws. So we have a 12 plus 12 is 24. Then 23 plus this one is 38. 16 plus 19 is 35. Then 10 plus 22 is 32. So we have the number which are 35, 38, 32, right? Those are the numbers of the next draw. Since they didn't use it, they can still use these numbers. All right, so that was the third one. The other one is a bonus plus the first number, which is 14. 14 was already near. You play the nearby number, which is 13 or 31 or 15, 51. All right, here when you do plus is 24. Here when you do plus is 20. So 24 came instead. After a draw, then we have a 20. Kindly do subscribe. Alright. So the other one is take this number, add them together. We have a 3 and a 9. They are not always like to play like that, but here we have a 5 and a 21. Here we have 14 and 29. So since they didn't use on this strategy here, we are expecting them to use 29 or 62. Yeah, they can spin it at 29 for us and play 62 as well. All right. The next one is to take each number and multiply by 5 and 70. So you can check this number, multiply by 5 and 70. So meaning 10 multiply by 5 multiply by 70. 19 multiply by 5 multiply by 70. So if the answer you get has many zero at the back, you take that answer. So for example, here is 10 times 5 is 550 times 7 is 35 and 0 at the back. Then this one as well. So if we use the calculator, let's check. So we have a 19 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 70, which give us 6,650, which doesn't answer our question. So let's go to the next one. We have a 840, 84 and 2 zeros. So we're going to pick a 48. And then you have a 40, and then we go to the next number. We have a 49 multiplied by 5 and 70, which give us 17,150. It doesn't have a many zero at the back. We have a 68 times 5 times 70, which give us 23 and 8. So 23 and 8, that is also a good number because there's 2 zero at the back. We can focus on 23 and 8. And the 00. You can use that number as well. The pencil disappeared, that's why I'm not typing the numbers down. That's the reason. So I will see you in my next video. Because the pencil not writing, so we can't do furthermore, but I hope you type the numbers down that we calculate. We have 18, 21, 64, 35, 38, 20, 29, and 48. All these numbers has their spins. You can go and spin the numbers because 18, 21 have already 12 as a spin, 64 is 46, 35, 38, 35 is 53, 20 is 2, and 22. 20 is 2 and 22. Then when you spin, 29 is 62 and 26. 48 is 45 when you go nearby numbers. And 44. Bye bye. So meaning that the many number we have is 18, 21, 64, 35, 38, 20, 29, and 48, which you can spin to get either numbers or the correct numbers to choose according to what you are calculating in your own banker strategy. Bye bye.